What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, the other day I recorded some videos or whatever. I went bowling. I went to the arcade place, you know, when you play some games, and then I went bowling. I was killing it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna let you guys the videos here. I didn't talk too much because that's kind of like I didn't like plan to like record or whatever. But I'm gonna let y'all the videos just in case. So y'all, you know, if you're bored, you just watch it. And it's fun. I was killing it a little bit. I'm gonna let y'all the videos over there. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and turn on the notifications. So you know, you can get the notifications every time I post a video. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna leave y'all with the videos. Boom.
Stop it. Get some help.
Boogie!
Let's see. Let's stepping up to the plate.
Yeah.
Boom. Yes,
And again.
I got one, so I'm not even mad.
I got like all of them.
Nice.
And again.
Yeah, he got 3. It's okay. It's okay. I'm a loser. It's okay. I did it. I did it. Nah, I don't believe it again. Let's see. Let me see if I can get a good angle. Bruh, move. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Babe, let me see your dance. Do a dance. Do a dance. Do a dance.
Like you're playing cricket.
What happened, man?
Again and again and again and again. There was one down when they put it down.
You got it.
Boom!
Where's the ball? Go again. Leave it, leave it, leave it.
And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I was killing it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment so I can be motivated to make you guys more video. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.